This video demonstrates the recommended placement and setup procedure for the SKC Noise Check Noise Dosimeter to help accurately measure a worker's noise exposure. With the dosimeter calibrated, first, determine which shoulder will be exposed to the highest noise level. In this example, the worker's highest exposure is on the right side, so the dosimeter will be mounted on the right shoulder. Position the unit where the microphone will not come into contact with the worker's chin, which could create false noise readings. Position the microphone at the top of the shoulder to allow sound collection from all directions. Secure the dosimeter in place and confirm that it is stable. Once properly mounted, press and hold the green checkmark button until the confirmation screen appears. Press the green button again to begin the measurement.